The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has unveiled an extraordinary photo revealing a phenomenon in the Serpens Nebula, located approximately 1,300 light-years from Earth. This phenomenon, described as resembling sleet pouring down during a storm, features several protostellar outflows, jets of gas erupting from newborn stars, aligned in the same direction, a sight never before observed. This alignment of protostellar outflows provides significant insights into star formation and supports a long-held theory. Klaus Pontoppidan, the principal investigator from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, explained that astronomers have assumed that as clouds collapse to form stars, the stars would tend to spin in the same direction. The aligned structures captured in this image offer direct evidence of this process, marking a historical moment in understanding star birth. The ability to observe these outflows stems from the unique capabilities of the JWST. Joel Green of the Space Telescope Science Institute highlighted that this area of the Serpens Nebula, Serpens North, becomes visible with Webb's advanced imaging power. These young stars and their outflows, previously appearing as indistinct blobs or invisible in optical wavelengths due to surrounding dust, are now clearly observable. This image is the first in a series focused on the Serpens Nebula, with JWST set to use its near-infrared spectrograph instrument to analyze the chemical makeup of the nebula. Such analysis could provide crucial insights into the conditions under which our solar system formed, according to Pontoppidan. The JWST continues to showcase its remarkable capabilities, promising more groundbreaking discoveries in the near future.